Okay, for some bonus footage, we're going to deviate from heading home and we're going to head down into Bognor. So I was just traveling east on Grey Road 18 from Owen Sound, and then if you hang a right at the sign that says Bognor, you come along here. And this is a really nice little small loop you can do as well if you're just touring around. First, I think we're going to stop and see if I can get some eggs. It's a real touch and go getting eggs here. Quite often there's no eggs, but when they are there, they're good eggs. And I want some eggs, because I like egg salad. So let's see if I can find some eggs. There's the chickens that make the eggs. Can you see all the chickens in the ditch? So these are, I guess, what you call ditch-fed chickens. They love the ditch. All right, let's see if there's any in there today. It's not Sunday. I highly doubt it since it's getting on the afternoon, but yeah, it's worth a look. Hey, they got some today. Woo woo. Jackpot. So I don't know if in your area we have honor system type sales, but they do around here, and it works quite well for everybody. All right, so $3 for a dozen, right? Yeah, $3 a dozen. I got $5 here. Shit. Well, I guess I'm just going to take one, because I ain't got more. I don't have change for 20, so we'll put our $3 in there, and we'll take a dozen eggs. Oh, that leaves a dozen for someone else that checks, so they won't be disappointed like I usually am. Oh. Nice to see. Thank you, chickens. I got some eggs today. Rhode Island Reds. They make the best eggs. There's the chickens making the eggs. Look at all the chickens. All right. One nice thing about the scoot, you can put a lot of stuff in there. Look at that. Make sure it doesn't land on the eggs and crush them or anything. So that's one thing I like about coming into Bognor, is there's a chance of getting some nice, fresh, brown eggs. And I think these eggs are a lot better because Rhode Island Reds make the nicest eggs. They're free grazing, as you can see, and that makes a lot more vitamins and nutrition and flavor in the eggs. So much better than the chickens that are just raised in a 1 foot by 1 foot cage their whole life in some massive barn somewhere. That's the way a chicken should live its life, right there, just like that. And they lay eggs every day. Now, a lot of farmers don't like doing that because some of them say they lay the eggs all over the place. But obviously he's not having too much problem. I'm not seeing eggs everywhere. There's a chicken coop up there. They got a whole yard there. Good for them chickens. Moving on into Bognor. So you can see Wiz coming into Bognor. Nice little rural town. Quiet little place. Hey dudes. They got a lovely little park here. I never see anyone playing in it. I never see anyone walking in it, nothing. But it's a great park. Maybe I should drone it sometime, but I just didn't think it'd look that interesting. I wonder if it's worth droning. Why don't we? Oh, come on, man. We're going to go back and try it. Since nobody goes in that park. Yeah, it's closed. Well, according to this sign. Why? If I had COVID, how could I spread it to anybody walking around in this park? Yeah, I can understand, the kids shouldn't play on the playground equipment right now and stuff like that. I understand that. You should still be allowed to walk around in there, though. That sucks. Like I said, I think there's just a little too much panic, and people are just doing unnecessary measures. I mean, if you're going to close something, at least close something that actually helps stop the spread. That just sucks. So when you get to your first road coming out of Bognor, you turn left. And you know it's the right road because if you keep going straight, it just turns into a gravel dirt road. So stay on the pavement. Hang a left, it'll go up here about a click, and then it hangs a right. And there you go, you see, you follow 29 to the right, and you'll see a sign that says Walter's Falls. Again, if you go straight, you end up on gravel. So stay on the pavement. And if you just keep following 29, come to your stop sign, follow 29. If you go that way, it's kind of scenic too. It's a nice kind of windy road, kind of brings you out into the bush, and then eventually you'll end up on Grey Road 40. And you can come back that way. And then this is just the direct way into Walter's Falls. Now we can have a look at, see if Walter's Falls is approachable. The last time I was down there, they had that blocked off for COVID too. But we can go have a look. Walter's Falls. Nice sleepy little town. Wouldn't want to come here in the winter. And I'll warn you, they don't even have gas here, so make sure you gas up before you come out. Oh, well, at least it's not so sandy, at least not here. It used to be really sandy on this hill. You have to watch it. And it's closed for COVID. COVID. I know it's only my opinion, but the only place there's a problem with COVID is in the city. There's no problem with COVID anywhere else. Better watch the sand, though. Anyway, that's Walter's Falls there. And under normal conditions, you can come here and see the falls, and the Bruce Trail is there, and you can walk as far as you want on the trail. It's quite nice. Another little day spot to stop at. Another bike guy just discovered Walters Falls. I thought I was the only one that knew of this town. Alrighty. Heading out of Walters Falls. And we're going to go this way. And I guess I can't do all the tours in one day. I'm just not that hardcore. Although it's a great day to film and ride around. I gotta sit on my keister once in a while. I think I want to get a nice cold beer at home. If I can get some beer. Might be worth the lineup. So you head out of Walters Falls and you head south. And if you just stay on this road, you will eventually get to Markdale. And you can go all the way down there, and then from Markdale you could go across to Beaver Valley. We'll do that another day. We did a few miles today. What have we done so far today? 141 kilometers. Not that far, but I wasn't all psyched up to do like a 300-kilometer run today or anything. But yeah, just keep going straight on this road. But I'm hanging a left on Grey Road 40 to head back to my hometown, which is also a really nice road.